Whether you're strolling through bustling city streets or trekking off the beaten path, a Rollator Walker is your trusty sidekick, blending support with style to transform every journey into a thrilling escapade of exploration and empowerment. Today, we are looking at the top 5 Rollator Walkers, and we've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Rollator Walkers. The 5th product on this list is the KMINA Pro. Say hello to hassle-free mobility and goodbye to limitations with the KMINA Pro Rollator Walker, your trusty companion for independent and secure movement. Designed for independence and safety, its sturdy structure and 360-degree steering front wheels ensure smooth navigation. Plus, with its convenient basket, outside pocket, and tray, you can carry your essentials wherever you roam. It's not just a walker, it's your freedom on wheels. Oh, and who says mobility aids have to be bulky and cumbersome? This Rollator Walker breaks the mold with its narrow design of just 21.2 inches and feather-light weight of only 13.2 pounds, making it a breeze to maneuver even in the tightest spaces. From narrow corridors to doorways, this four-wheel wonder unlocks new levels of accessibility indoors. And when you're done conquering the world, its foldable design makes storage a cinch. On top of that, this product is perfect for individuals with medium-low dependency, supporting up to 220 pounds and empowering you to navigate life on your terms. In conclusion, the KMINA Pro is the game changer for those seeking independence, comfort, and quality in their everyday journeys. Step into a world of possibilities with the KMINA Pro, where mobility meets freedom, and every step is a testament to your resilience. Its pros are: it boasts 5 height adjustments and a single-axis handlebar for effortless one-handed use. Its sensitive braking system requires less force, ensuring your safety with every step. And it is crafted from high-quality materials, including sturdy aluminum tubing and solid 7-inch diameter wheels, guaranteeing stability and durability for the long haul. However, its narrow design may slightly compromise stability compared to wider models. Whether you're just starting to need a walking aid or seeking to maintain your autonomy, the KMINA Pro Rollator Walker is your perfect partner. Up next in 4th place is the Helavo Rollator H1040. Are you ready to reclaim your outdoor freedom and embrace life's adventures with open arms? Designed to support your active lifestyle, this rolling walker offers safe, comfortable, and stylish mobility wherever life takes you. Equipped with a large 12-inch pneumatic rubber tires, this walker ensures smooth and secure movement on all terrains, making it the ideal choice for individuals craving mobility support without sacrificing their love for the great outdoors. Whether you're strolling through parks, exploring nature trails, or navigating urban streets, this Rollator Walker empowers you to embrace every moment with confidence. But that's not all. Experience the perfect blend of lightweight design and unrivaled comfort with this product. Weighing just 20.9 pounds and folding down to dimensions of 29.9 by 10.6 by 31.9 inches, this aluminum walker is your go-to travel companion. With its spacious seat and comfortable backrest, it offers the perfect spot for a quick rest during your excursions, ensuring you stay energized and refreshed throughout your adventures. Overall, the Helavo stands as your ultimate ally, empowering you to explore, discover, and embrace every moment with confidence and ease. Its pros are: it features individual adjustable handles ranging from 31.9 inches to 37 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for all users of all heights. It features an integrated cane holder and ergonomic handles, providing optimal grip and functionality on your outdoor adventures. And it comes with a standard 1-year warranty, extendable to 3 years for added peace of mind. However, its size may not be convenient for indoor use. The Helavo Rollator H1040 is best for individuals who lead an active lifestyle and seek a reliable mobility aid that can keep up with their outdoor adventures, providing stability and comfort on various terrains. Still haven't found a Rollator Walker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Comodità Uno. If you need a walking companion that not only offers unparalleled comfort, but also prioritizes your safety on every terrain, then you're in for a treat with the Comodità Uno, a revolutionary wheeled walker meticulously crafted to elevate your mobility experience. With this walker, you'll never have to deal with tripping and falling, especially thanks to its unique S-shaped back wheel support, providing an extra wide space between the rear wheels for enhanced stability and peace of mind. While robust in build, this wheeled walker ensures easy maneuverability with its 16-inch seat and an impressive weight capacity of 300 pounds, catering to users with heights ranging from 5 foot 4 inches to 6 foot 4 inches. Weighing 27 pounds, it's slightly heavier than traditional models, but its unmatched features more than compensate for the extra weight. That's not all. Get ready for any environment with ease using its all-terrain pneumatic tires, featuring 12-inch front aluminum wheels and 10-inch rear wheels for maximum grip and traction on all surfaces. In a world where every step matters, the Comodità Uno emerges as your trusted ally, empowering you to navigate life's journey with confidence and ease. So unbox comfort, safety, and convenience, and embark on a transformative journey with the Comodità Uno by your side. Its pros are: its adjustable handle height and handle brake locks provide safety and stability while seated. It's equipped with convenient front light reflectors and a washable under-seat storage bag, making it your trusted companion for shopping. And it boasts top-notch components, including aluminum wheels with real pneumatic tires and a reinforced frame for unparalleled durability and longevity. However, it does not include footrests to use as a wheelchair. With its innovative design, adjustable features, and durable construction, the Comodità Uno caters to users of varying heights and mobility needs, providing outstanding support and convenience for everyday use. The second product on this list is the Evolution Trillium. Are you ready to revolutionize your mobility experience with a walker that's as dynamic as you are? Introducing the Evolution Trillium, a cutting-edge mobility aid designed to elevate your comfort, convenience, and confidence on every step of your journey. Take control of your movements with ease using its locking handbrake, strategically positioned for quick access. With a simple lever lock mechanism, you can effortlessly secure the walker in place when transitioning to a seated position, ensuring stability and safety every time. That's not all. You also get to experience personalized comfort on the go with its adjustable height handlebars, allowing you to find the perfect fit without the hassle of tools. Whether you're tall or petite, customize the handlebars to your preferred height, ensuring optimal posture and support for a smooth and comfortable walking experience. On top of that, it's peace of mind knowing that this product upholds the highest quality standards and is proudly crafted in the USA. With meticulous attention to detail and superior craftsmanship, each walker undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability, reliability, and longevity. Overall, the Evolution Trillium emerges as your trusted ally, empowering you to embrace life's adventures with confidence, comfort, and style. Its pros are: it features large 8-inch wheels and tires, so you can glide effortlessly over thresholds, uneven surfaces, and outdoor terrain. It has a generously wide backrest and plush padded seat designed to provide exceptional support and comfort, and it features a zippered closure, keeping your belongings secure and easily accessible while you're on the move. However, it doesn't come pre-assembled upon delivery, so you'll have to spend some time setting it up. The Evolution Trillium lightweight folding rolling walker redefines mobility aids with its blend of comfort, style, and reliable support, featuring a quilted padded seat cushion, cable-free braking system, collapsible basket, and wider gate for added stability. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best Rollator Walker is byAcre Carbon Rolling Walker. Experience freedom like never before with the revolutionary byAcre Carbon Rolling Walker. This isn't just any rollator. It's a game changer designed to elevate your outdoor adventures with its unparalleled blend of lightweight design, carbon fiber strength, and ergonomic innovation. This Rollator Walker holds the prestigious title of the world's lightest outdoor rollator, weighing in at a mere 10.6 pounds. Don't let its weight fool you. This rollator is a powerhouse, supporting up to 285 pounds with ease. This means you can finally say goodbye to heavy, cumbersome mobility aids and hello to effortless freedom. That's not all. Prepare to be amazed by the power of carbon fiber. This walker features a frame crafted from carbon fiber, a material 5 times stronger than steel. This cutting-edge construction not only provides exceptional strength, but also offers flexibility and stability, ensuring a smooth and sturdy ride on any terrain. With its unmatched combination of lightweight design, carbon fiber strength, ergonomic innovation, and effortless adjustability, the byAcre Carbon Rolling Walker is the ultimate companion for your outdoor escapades. Are you ready to roll with the best? This Rollator Walker awaits your ticket to freedom and adventure. its pros are: it's equipped with reversed handles designed to promote better posture and easier maneuverability. It features a convenient push-button height adjustment mechanism, allowing you to customize the handle height from 31.1 inches to 35.8 inches with ease. It will arrive fully assembled, so you can hit the road without delay, and it comes with a small organizer bag for added convenience, ensuring you have everything you need for your adventures. However, it doesn't have space for as many additional accessories as some other rollators on the market. The byAcre Carbon Ultralight Rollator Walker goes beyond basic mobility assistance. It's a symbol of both ergonomics and function, providing a blend of style, ease of use, comfort, and reliability. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.